Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jelly cheesecake. Press graham cracker crumbs into an 8-inch springform pan and chill while you prepare filling. Beat cream cheese with sugar until smooth, then fold in whipped cream and pour over crust. Chill until set before adding cooled jelly topping. Keep explanations simple and relaxed as we move step by step through assembling and finishing your dessert. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and fun. You will need 8-inch springform pan, 2 cups crushed graham crackers, 6 tablespoons melted butter, 16 oz cream cheese softened, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup whipped cream, and 1 prepared jelly packet. Measure jelly liquid according to packet and cool before pouring. Having everything ready saves time and reduces stress while making a beautiful. Start by firmly pressing the crust into the pan and chilling it to set. Beat cream cheese with sugar until completely smooth, then gently fold in whipped cream for a light texture. Pour the filling over chilled crust and refrigerate until almost set. Melt and cool jelly per package, then pour carefully over the cheesecake. Return to chill until fully firm. Slice with a warm knife for clean pieces and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.